Hello, welcome back. My name is Rhonda. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please excuse me if I look weird. This is only the second time I've ever put on false eyelashes and they just make me feel like my eyes just look like they're just too dark. But please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. If you have, thank you very much. And please click the thumbs up button for me. I just got through doing some videos on makeup, different things I had put on. I wanted to share in case anyone was interested in those products. Like I said, I went ahead and put on the false eyelashes. I would never put on this bold of a look, but I just got some out of my drawer to try, and I'm not so sure I'm liking that look. And it, like I said the other day, my air conditioner is on the brink again, and I am hot, and I just put these earrings on. If you want to know about those, I got them from the Box of Style, and I didn't want to take them off just yet. So I have, like I said, if you hear the noise, it's a fan. I'm trying to stay a little bit cool because it's so hot. It's the later part of the day, and my air conditioner keeps freezing up on me, and the later part of the day it's really, really hot in this house. So today I have my Look Fantastic box. I was just looking this up to tell you all for sure about this, and it is $19 a month. That includes shipping, and this comes from the UK. All the things in it are normally UK brands. And if you never looked at Look Fantastic, you can look. I don't know if you could see, but they sell like all kinds of makeup and things. And if you do the Glossybox, you can go in and give reviews of what you've got on Glossybox, and they usually give you like 40 cents or 80 cents for each review that you give of each item, and you can go spend it in the Look Fantastic. I haven't done it yet. I actually used my points to get something else that I'm fixing to show you all. But you can go and, like here, they have Pixie. Is it 1, 2, 3, 6 Pixie pencils for $12, I guess, or is that, maybe that's a piece and you have to choose the color? Okay, yeah, that's what it is. It showed all 6 there, but I was gonna say surely not. But you can get 15% off for your first order if you're ordering from their actual shop. I've been wanting this Natasha Denona Love Palette, but $65 is a bit expensive. But like I said, you can give your reviews on your Glossybox and use those points and get it off anything in their shop. I'm going to go look and see if there's some kind of code that I can put below that you can get any type of discount. Oh, they use Afterpay, but if I can find any kind of code that to give you to get any kind of discount off the regular subscription box if you want to get into it. But if you don't know about Afterpay, you can buy things, and basically it gives you over 2 months to pay. You pay like a fourth that day, and then 2 weeks later you pay another fourth of your total, but I think you have to spend like $35, and then 2 weeks later you pay another fourth, and then 2 weeks later you pay the remaining fourth of it. So I mean, that basically gives you 2 months to buy something if there's something you really, really want and need the time to pay. So this box is $15 a month, and it always comes in this really nice, well, last month I don't think it did because it had a little bag with it, but it usually comes in really nice cardboard. Some of the cardboard that's really hard to throw away because they're really nice to store things in. But I mean, if we keep them all, I don't know. That's what I was thinking the other day, is Allure comes in this, Glossybox comes in these, Target comes in these. I mean, sooner or later, you're gonna run out of room to store these, but they're so nice, it's hard to throw it away. So then it comes like this. This month we got it in orange, and then it comes in the pretty orange squiggly things. So then we open it up and it looks like this. And let's see, this is basically, okay, it's just basically saying, don't worry, we will bring the printed versions back as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link for you to click through and read the magazine online. Okay, but they put it in UK prices, and I guess if you want to know, I could look that up for you if anybody's curious. So I don't know how much any of this stuff is, but again, this is a $19 bag, free shipping. So we got this eye shading brush. Let's see. It probably would be a good eye shading brush, or maybe even a good concealer brush to smooth it out. It says eye shading brush. It has the cool little grooves here that so many people like to help you hold it when you're doing your thing, like, you know, like a pencil to do your thing. So we got that. I don't know this brand. It does say cruelty free and vegan. So Echo. Okay, so we got that. And then we got one set of the Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. So this is one set for your eyes. And then we got, I do like those. I like things, anything as you get older, you know, your eyes are the first place to show your age. So those are really nice. This is a cream. I don't know what this says. Something boost. It's a multi-correction gel cream, and this is in 15 milliliters. So this is sample, deluxe sample, whatever they want to call it. Let's see here what it looks like. Oops. Okay, there's what it looks like. Basically a cream. Let's see. Yeah, just, I mean, I don't know that it's anything special, but it's got a pleasant smell. I still got swatches on my hands from the review I just did a little while ago. And then we got, what is this? Aqua Mystery. Oh, a botanical soap. So we got this. Look how pretty. I will probably just put this in my soap dish because I like to keep little soaps. I don't know, it smells good. I might actually use that. That smells, what is that? This says botanical soap, Aqua Mystery, Savon, Citrus, Palmarosa. This is, I don't know if you could see it, but I assume that is, however they, Orange Blossom at the bottom. It says Orange Blossom and Palmarosa. Okay. Appearance is citrus, but I actually love the smell. I have lotion, the orange, blood orange, and I can't remember some of my favorite lotion. It actually smells good. I think I will probably use that for for special occasions. Okay, and then we got Instant Mask, 15 milliliters exfoliating unifying mask, rose and macadamia. Okay, this little box. Here's what that looks like. Oops. Oh, looky, it's like a jelly. It's like jelly. Look at that. Okay. Very, very light smell. Nothing too out there. I'm going to try this. I love mask. And then we got, had this before from, I think it was Allure. Vitamin C Repair Serum. Balance Me. There's that. It's 0.34 full ounces. There's, I mean, it's like a milky white serum. And then we got this really pretty lipstick. It says lip cream, Matte Me, ultra smooth matte lip cream, 6 milliliters in the color French Fancy 037. Let's see if I can get this off and swatch this for you. There we go. Okay. Here's what it looks like. Just a typical doe foot. And there's, oh, I like that. That's pretty. Okay, so let me look. I think that was, yeah, that's everything in the box. So again, this is a $19 box. You get these hard boxes, and I got this pretty lipstick. Lip cream is what they call it. Pretty good size lip mask. I mean, not lip mask, regular face mask. This Vitamin C Repair Serum. This really nice smelling soap. This eye serum mask multitask. It's one set. And then the brush. And then we got this gel multi-correction gel cream. So that is what came in the Look Fantastic box this month. If you're interested, I'm going to go on and see if I can find a link for you, that if there's any kind of link that you can use to get any amount off. I'm not sure if there is, but there is that box. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button for me. And until next time, I love you all. Have a good night, a good weekend. Bye-bye.